Splish Splash, let's learn with me. We're splashing in the tub from A to Z. A is for apple, it floats on by. B is for boat, watch it sail and fly. Splish Splash, ABCs, come and sing along with me. Bubble letters in the tub, learning's fun with lots of love. C is for cat, it's purring near. D is for duck, quack, quack, we cheer. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fish swimming in my hand. Splish, splash, ABCs, come and sing along with me. Bubble letters in the tub, learning's fun with lots of love. Pop the bubbles, what's that sound? Letters floating all around. Let's say them loud and clear. Phonics fun, now give a cheer. G is for giraffe, tall and bright. H is for hat, that fits just right. I is for ice cream, yummy treat. J is for jelly, it's super sweet. Splish, splash, ABCs, come and sing along with me. Bubble letters in the tub, learning's fun with lots of love. Splish, splash, hooray, hooray, we learned our letters the bath time way. From A to Z we've had such fun, phonics learning's just begun.
Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.